how to fix your account is restricted right now problem on WhatsApp. So if you have a problem which says your account is restricted right now, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your search and search for WhatsApp. Now, after searching for your WhatsApp, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, just simply go and update it. And even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then search for WhatsApp right here. Tap and hold on to your WhatsApp, go with the app info section. Under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then restart your device. Or just simply go and delete your WhatsApp application or uninstall your application, which is here on the bottom. After uninstalling your WhatsApp, you need to go with your Play Store again and then again reinstall WhatsApp and log into your account. And it will fix your problem of restricted right now. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.